guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you a shoe that is Nanette Lepore. So it's a open mules, leather open mules. So I'm gonna show you how the shoe looks. So I have ordered it from Macy, so I'm gonna show you how the shoe looks. So this is the shoe. It's a leather shoe, and this looks like a white, like beige kind of color. So it's in the size 6. You can see. So I really like this one. It's like open in the front portion. It's open, and it's a completely leather shoe, and with that portion with this like those jewel things, it also really looks pretty. So it's like, and here is a little bit cut, but so which is really easy for wear the shoe. It's really comfortable shoe looks, and the heel is not very high. It's like almost like 3 inch heel, and it's open to toe.